As you can see, the same WhatsApp number is installed on both my iPhone and Android phone. In other words, if I call my WhatsApp number, it's going to ring on both devices. Or if I send a message to my WhatsApp phone number, it will be shown on both my iPhone and Android phone. It will also work if you have a third device, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up the same WhatsApp number on two different phones. It even works if you have a third or fourth phone. So just make sure to watch the video and follow the steps as I show you. So you first need to go and grab the phone that you have your original WhatsApp installed on it. This is the one that you have your phone number installed on it. So make sure to grab it and go and check to see if you have the latest version up and running. The way you can check that is either go to the App Store or the Play Store, search for WhatsApp. If you don't see a button asking you to update, that means you're running the latest version. So as you can see, mine is running the latest version. I'm gonna go ahead and step this to the side and bring the second phone where we want the same phone number to be installed on. Once we grab the second phone, you will need to go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp because you do want a fresh install. So you can go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for WhatsApp. After you uninstall it, just search for the application and then start installing or downloading the application. Now you're going to click on install or tap on install, and we're going to wait for that application to start downloading. Before we continue with today's video, I just wanted to show you a really cool website called Country Finder. So let's say you were burned somewhere and you feel like you don't belong. With using this website, you're going to find out what is the country that fits you most. They're the sponsor of this video, and Country Finder basically uses algorithms to ask you questions about your date of birth, time of birth, some personality questions, and then it compares that with the algorithms of the world and then tells you what is the country that you belong to. And it's really cool because it asks you questions like your preferred environment for living, the things that you like to do at your free time, and it's really quick. It only takes like 2 minutes, and then it's going to compare it with the algorithms and then tell you what your cosmic alignment is, or basically what is the country that fits you most. For a limited amount of time, this website is for free. And if you go through the link, you can be able to find the answer of your country that fits you most for free, basically by going through the link in the description box. So if you have a phone, if you have an iPad or a computer, you can use this and then get that results for free. It's going to help the channel, and it's really cool to find out where you belong. So now we're going to go ahead and continue with the rest of the video, and then let's go ahead and watch the steps. Alright, so WhatsApp is now fully installed on my Android phone, and you can tap on open to make sure it's actually installed. But before you do anything, you need to go to the settings. And by the way, this is only necessary for Android phones. Just go to your settings application, search for WhatsApp, and make sure that the application has the sets of permissions fully allowed. Otherwise, you might see a glitch. So just go ahead and open WhatsApp. Granted permission to the things that you wanted to grab, like your microphone, your camera, your messages. This is typically what is required for an application to start running fully. And this does ask, the application does ask you to get granted permission when you first run it, but because we're doing a transfer, it's necessary to do this in the beginning, otherwise you'll run into issues. So after you're done giving permissions for the application, you need to go back to WhatsApp, and then you need to go ahead and tap on the three dots. You need to go ahead and press on agree and continue. And once you tap on agree and continue, you're gonna see an option that says link device. So go ahead and tap on agree and continue. Once you do that, make sure to tap on allow and then tap on the three dots. So tap there and then link as companion device. That's the option you want to tap on. When you tap on that option, you're going to be shown with a QR code. You're going to use that QR code to do the transfer. So go ahead and go to your original phone, an iPhone in this case, and then tap on link devices. Once you're there, tap on link a device. And I already have mine set up, so I'm just going to delete this, but then I'm going to tap on link device. It's going to ask for your passcode or Face ID, and then it's going to turn on your camera. Make sure to read that QR code by just hovering over the phone, and make sure that you see the QR code clearly. Once the iPhone or the first phone recognizes the QR code, you will see the chat transfer automatically, your account transfer automatically, and it will work as if that Android phone or the second phone is literally identical to the original phone. So as you can see, I have all the chats and all the notifications transferred properly. It took a matter of seconds, and as you can see, I'm calling my phone number and it's ringing on both devices. It's as easy as that. And I'm just gonna decline this phone call. I'm gonna send another message just to show that the messages also go through. So you see you have a notification on both devices for a message. And I already have this chat locked, otherwise you can just normally open the chat as if you're on that iPhone or on your original phone. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward. It works like a charm. It works on iPhones and Androids. You can add up to, I think, 5 or 6 devices. And as you can see, I'm showing you in front of you again, I'm calling the original phone, but it's ringing on my duplicate WhatsApp phone as well. And it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward, it's really easy to set up, and it works like as if you have the same application on 2 different devices. Now you might be wondering, what is the setup process if you do want to remove this feature, or in other words, you don't want that second WhatsApp to be on your second phone. So how do you remove that? Well, the process is very easy. All you need to do is go ahead and go to your original phone, go to link devices, and then tap on log out. As you can see, WhatsApp is no longer there, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.